Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the right prerequisites: a matched power level zone, a primary hero, and a focused survivor squad. Once done, run 3 to 5 objective missions or storm shield defense to generate steady survivor XP and schematic drops. That gives you materials for immediate evolutions. Make sure to scrap duplicate schematics and convert excess survivors into XP boosts. This fuels your rapid initial power spikes and prevents wasted inventory space while you push levels. You now shift to the complex middle. Target alert missions and miniboss objectives because they reward high-rarity schematics and more experience. While playing, evolve one primary weapon and one trap to the next rarity so your combat efficiency rises with your power level. This reduces time per mission. Once you acquire key resources, use survivor XP boosts and event bonuses to multiply gains, and make sure to craft only what you will actively use to conserve evolution mats for later. You finish by stacking repeatable, high-yield missions and focusing resources for big evolutions. This delivers the final power jumps quickly. Evolve survivors and schematics in batches to convert materials into tangible power level increases, and once completed, cycle through legacy mission alerts for leftover rewards. If you hit a snag, low drops, or slow progression, try changing zones, join a higher power friend to improve loot quality, and double-check your survivor leadership bonuses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.